First question. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Option A. Mahatma Gandhi. Option B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option D. Rajendra Prasad. Option C. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Option A. Mars. Option B. Jupiter. Option C. Saturn. Option D. Earth. Option C. Saturn. Next. What is the capital of Australia? Option A. Sydney. Option B. Melbourne. Option C. Canberra. Option D. Perth. Option C. Canberra. Next question. Which is the longest river in the world? Option A. Nile. Option B. Amazon. Option C. Yangtze. Option D. Congo. Option A. Nile. Next. Which vitamin is produced in the human body when it's exposed to sunlight? Option A. Vitamin A. Option B. Vitamin B. Option C. Vitamin C. Option D. Vitamin D. Option D. Vitamin D. Next question. Which Mughal emperor was known as Jinda Pir? Option A. Akbar. Option B. Jahangir. Option C. Aurangzeb. Option D. Shah Jahan. Option C. Aurangzeb. Next. Which day is celebrated as International Women's Day? Option A. 2nd May. Option B. 10th September. Option C. 8th March. Option D. 15th December. Option C. 8th March. Next question. Who invented the calculator? Option A. Charles Babbage. Option B. Henry Anderson. Option C. John Napier. Option D. Blaise Pascal. Option D. Blaise Pascal. Next. Chikungunya disease is caused by which mosquito? Option A. Aedes. Option B. Anopheles. Option C. Culex. Option D. Mansonia. Option A. Aedes. Last question. Who founded the Satya Sadak Samaj? Option A. Attaram Pandurang. Option B. Jyotirao Phule. Option C. Mahadev Govinda Ranade. Option D. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Option B. Jyotirao Phule. One homework question for you. Who is the ex-officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? Option A. Prime Minister. Option B. President. Option C. Vice President. Option D. Governor of State. Give the answer on the comment box.